Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the picture in your Microsoft Office Word web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to insert the picture in your Microsoft Office Word? You just go click on the insert option here, then click on the picture. You have a drop menu with this device, which means you can insert from your computer, or you can use your one-time account, or you can use the stock images. You can also search on the web, so you can easily search on the web because it's a Microsoft Office web. So you can easily search what you want. For an example, I just typing as Apple, so I click on the search option here. So you can see there is a lot of Apple pictures out here. You just click and you can easily insert here. The first thing is go to the device, so it will open your device, so you can insert the image easily. So after inserting, you have an option called pictures. Here you can change the style of the picture. You can change it to circle with a shadow like this. You can see you can also use to make a 3D thing, reflection, and lots of the themes over here. So this is one of the theme. You can resize the picture, and you can also have a lot of the different type of themes, and you can also clear the style. And here you can also choose border color, rotate the image as 90 degree or the left vertical and flip the image. And you can also have a text wrapping by using this image option. And here as a crop, you can also crop the image, and crop option are here, and height and width. You can also use the height and width size to make it as accurate image. So these are the options of the pictures, and how you can easily insert the picture by using this particular options in your Microsoft Office Word web. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. If you want more content about the Microsoft Office Word web, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.